So, I already taught you how to start it and everything else, so yeah, you know. And then over here we have the little shift bar thing, and to go into first gear, it's down, so down. Then to go into second gear, you press it up, and then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then when you want to go into neutral, so you can like move the bike around and stuff, it's got to be between first and second, so just barely up, and then you're in first and second. And then this is the real deal right here, the clutch. You've got to start when you're gonna get going. You're gonna let the clutch out super easy as you're letting go, and then you let go. So just like, and yep, so just super slow, super slow. And then as you're going, just kind of like a bike. Here's the throttle, just to make you go faster, make you go. And then when you shift up the gears, it makes it go faster. And then suspension. And then
okay. That's 3 minutes.
got, so like I said, the brakes over here. Got our brakes.
Why don't you demonstrate a takeoff?
Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate a takeoff, so to get going. So we got to make sure we're in neutral. So I'm in neutral.
Here, get back.
I'm in neutral, alright. So then, bring out that clutch. Gotta bring out that thing. And then pull in the clutch. Hold it in. And then push it into first gear, so that would be down. Push it into first. And then you gotta let go. Stop, still holding the clutch when you're stopping. So holding the clutch when you stop. And then that's it.